Eliminations na yan. Yung mananalo po, pasok na po sa finals. Yung matatalo po, maraming salamat sa game. Start na po. Team Mikey, pwede na po kayo mag-shooting sa kabila. Mag-warm up, warm up. 2 points, Brian Mendoza. Walter. Pass to A. Shake in 3. Nugget, di pa ba Walter sa ilalim? 15 seconds shoot. Jose taking 3. Nugget, di pa ba Jerome? Pwede na po kayo mag-shooting sa kabila. Team Kirk. Mamaya na, sige, sige.
Mag-shoot na.
Pero nga tayo.
15 seconds to shoot.
Hinahabol mo.
12 seconds shoot steal by number 0.
Shooting ako. Video ako eh.
15 seconds shoot number 0. Crossover move. Pass to Jose. Jose. Jose, malaki. No, you go by. Brian. 9 minutes exactly on the clock. Damasco, crossover move. Damasco. Damasco pa rin. Pass to Mendoza. Nugget. Primo by Jose. Ang ganda pasa.
Box, shooting mo na box.
Walter, 2 points. Walter, Palasan, deadlock on 2. Twyman, taking 3. Nugget, Primo by Mark. Pass to Walter. Pass to Jose. Nugget, pero narimo pa rin ni Walter Palasan. 4-2. 4-2 in favor of Team
Shooting mo na.
Walter. Nugget, Primo by A.
Iyak ko muna. Okay, sab.
Hawakan mo na lang dito box para hindi
Malaglag.
Oo, ganyan. Yung sa lawak box Yan.
Na-shoot, na-shoot. Na-shoot ba? Counted, counted po. 6-4. 6-4 in favor of Team Walter. 3! Ivan Magday, Team Springmore. 7-6. 7-6 in favor of Team Magday. 14 seconds to shoot, Jose, guarded by Justine. 10 seconds to shoot. 8 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. 3, 2, 1. Shot out violation. Dito tumama. Good ball.
Mas maganda yung nakahiga kaysa dito.
Mendoza step up 3. No, hindi mo kay number 0. Number 0. Number 0 pa rin. Number 0 sa ilalim. Number 0 guarded by Justine. 15 seconds shoot. Pass to A. Libre-libre sa press. Nugget. Primo by Magday. Guarded by A. To Magday. Pass to Jerome sa ilalim. Jerome pa rin. Wala pa rin. Primo by. Primo by. Primo by Jose. Grabe si Jose. Jose. Guarded by Ivan. Wow. First team foul. Team Magday. First team foul. Team Magday. 6 minutes and 40 seconds left. 7-6. Lamang na isa. Team Magday. 7-6. Sa lang. 15 seconds to shoot. Walter. 12 seconds shoot. Crossover by Walter. Walter lumipad. Basket counted. Walter Palasan. 8-7 in favor of Team Walter. Magday taking 3. Ivan Magday. Change favor again. 10-8. 10-8 in favor of Team Magday. Walter. Pass to 8. Taking 3. Nugget. Primo 5. Mark. Out of bounds. Good, good. Layaban. Layaban. Sap, sap. Sap, sap.
Wala, kaya yan.
Sabi.
Kaya yan.
Hit ball. 14. Crossover move by Walter lumipad. 2 points. 10 lang. All 10. Point si 49. All 10. Fire si 49. Magday na naman. Nugget. Primo by. Pass to Walter lumipad. 2 points. 12-10.
Namumulikan.
Substitution po. Wait na po. Lawas na po. Tab na.
Namumulikat na. Di na talaga kaya.
Nakakalaro.
Oval pa kasi, oval pa.